Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Hyundai Accent easy method. Begin by warming the engine briefly, then loosen the oil filler cap to equalize pressure. Jack the car safely and place stands under solid points. Position the drain pan beneath the oil pan and loosen the drain plug carefully to avoid burns. Remove the old filter with a suitable wrench, wipe mating surfaces, and prepare the new filter with fresh oil before installation. Once the oil is flowing, allow it to drain until the stream becomes a slow drip, usually a few minutes. While draining, inspect the drain plug washer and clean the plug threads before reinstalling. Hand thread the new filter to avoid cross-threading, then tighten to manufacturer guidance. Reinstall the drain plug with proper torque, wipe any spills, and lower the car carefully. Finish by adding the correct oil amount and checking the level with the dipstick. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: pick up those leak-proof containers to keep your garage snacks and parts organized without spills, and they stack neatly in tight spaces. They're great for nuts, bolts, and lunch when you're working on the car. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After adding oil, wait a minute for it to settle, then verify the level with the dipstick and adjust if needed. Start the engine and let it run a short time while observing for leaks near the filter and drain plug. Turn off the engine, recheck the oil level, and top up if necessary. Dispose of the old oil and filter at a proper recycling facility and record the service for your maintenance log.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.